Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback Minis front mud flaps on a Ford Edge. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Let's get started. First, identify and remove the factory push pins on the inner fender and on the underside of the fender as shown. Next, pull back the plastic guard and inner liner as shown to reveal the 3 factory holes that contained the push pins. Install a U-clip onto each one of the 3 holes. Take note to face the U-clips in the proper direction when installing. Reinstall the factory push pin on the underside of the fender. Next, loosely install the mud flap and washer plate to the inner fender using 3 screws and 3 stainless washers. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Carefully tighten all screws and double check that the mud flap is still level. With a 1/4-inch drill bit, drill through the inner mud flap hole and through the plastic liner. Install the inner mud flap hole to the liner using a stainless bolt and stainless washer, and secure it with a stainless washer, lock washer, and nut. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flap kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.